Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Six of Stars in reverse, Neophyte of Moons in reverse, and Three of Suns. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are someone who is a very an outgoing person, someone who is a very friendly person with the people you are really close. So you are a very helpful and a friendly person, but today you feel really lost. You may feel a lot worried or stressed because in your circumstance you feel that you don't know what should be the next thing happening, what you should do, or some kind of confusion or doubts may be there in your circumstances, guys, and you want to change the way things are going. You feel stuck to something, you are unable to decide for yourself, and you want to change the way things are going, guys, and you are making a lot of efforts today, waiting for some kind of change or some kind of an improvement in your circumstance. But though you are working hard, though you are trying your best, you may not see changes in your circumstances. The reasons may be maybe there are people with evil intentions. Maybe they are here close with you in your work. Maybe it may be your colleague or your employee or someone who is really jealous of you, or it may be someone in your family, maybe even this person you love. They may have some intentions, bad intentions towards you. They are trying to use you in some ways, guys. Maybe they are trying to flatter you and maybe use you for your use you financially or use your talents and skills to benefit themselves. So if you have a vague idea who it will be or who it is today, guys, Scorpios, in your circumstances, you need to stay away from this person. They are not to be trusted, guys. So this person has evil intentions towards you, and the best way to handle your circumstances today, guys, Scorpios, maybe you need to just take this time to assess your circumstances with clarity. This may not be the right time to go for action. This is the time for your intellect. You need to think clearly and act with courage. So when that time comes, you must make that go for that action. And maybe today in this difficult circumstance, you are not having clarity, but people who are really truthful to you and honest will show their positive intentions, and you can trust this person. They are here to help you and guide you in some difficult circumstance, guys. So it may be your friend, or again this person may be your person you love. So they are trying to help you avoid some difficult circumstance in your work or in your personal life, guys, Scorpios. So we picked one card for your relationship, guys, and it is Nine of Stars in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, maybe this may be what you feel or what they feel about you, and maybe you are afraid of certain things, you fear certain things, but it may not be true, guys. You no longer need to be afraid of some future or afraid of something that may happen in your future. Your fears are not proved, or yeah, it may or may not happen. So you need not be afraid of the way things are going, or you need not assume certain things for yourself and be scared of it. So in this relationship also, you are afraid of something, you are expecting something in your future and you are afraid of that. But the right way to handle this situation is, if you are in doubt, if you don't know what you will be doing or what will be the decision for you today, you just need to take time, guys. Take time for yourself, think with clarity, then make any decision today, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, we have Ace of Spheres. So things are going to really align in your work situation. You are going to see abundance and prosperity in your circumstances. Everything will begin to fall into place in your career situation, guys. So whatever projects or maybe work related decisions you are making, it will be the right thing, and you are getting a lot of opportunities for success today, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances, you have faced a lot in your life. You have gone through a lot of difficulties, gone through lot of trials, and you have endured confusion and uncertainty in your life for many years, and you were you were looking for an oasis, that freedom and relief all along. So the answers you seek or the freedom you look for is not far away, guys, and it is coming towards you, and you are going to get that clarity and happiness very soon. So you need not worry or you need not feel sad anymore. And this oracle comes with a special guidance, guys. Whatever you were going through, maybe you were going through a lot of pain, difficulty, and you were crying. Whatever it was, your sadness or all that stress, pain is going to be the foundation for something that is going to be changing or transforming in your life. And your life is divinely aligned and you are going to be more alive than before. So you must be prepared to let your old version of yourself just leave you. And what does that mean? What does that mean to say that we are letting that old version go away? It just means that letting go of the opinions or doubts, despair, and fears that we have in our life. And and a great transformation is coming your way, guys. So you can rest assured, be happy for that. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance regarding divine timing. So all your dreams and goals, whatever you had, your time is fast approaching. And maybe you are in that greatest confusion of your life or greatest darkness. But don't forget that deepest darkness of the night is the closest to the newest dawn. So you should not forget that. And don't turn back, don't turn yourself away from progress. So even your next step will be something breathtaking, or it may be something like a breakthrough in your life, guys. So you should not forget that. So at that appropriate timing, whatever is supposed to be yours will always be yours, and it is coming towards you. And this is the time for positive transformation in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So in your relationship or in your career or personal life, great changes are coming towards you, guys. You should not forget that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it is Yang. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you are in that, you are having that creative power to make things happen, and you are the one who will make the right actions. So maybe in this relationship or in your personal life, you need to decide on something, or you need to take up some activity. There is no one better than you for that job, guys. So you have that power and energy to propel forward in your life, and this is the perfect time for you to act. And circumstances are supporting your action. And today in this relationship, maybe if you are interested in this person, if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, it is okay to make the first move. Trust that you will know where you are and where your relationship stands, guys. So in the matters of this relationship, there is movement towards that highest good. So you can move forward with assurance. Be assured that whatever activity you do is going to be the right thing for you, and passion is in the air, love is in the air, and it is the time to dance to the tune of love. So it is time to take the lead in this relationship right now. So if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, commitment, you can take that first step towards that in this connection, and that is going to work in your favor, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.